How to become a successful YouTuber and make money. Part 1. Mr. Beast makes $54 million a year posting videos online. Suddenly, those kids saying they want to be YouTubers when they grow up, they don't sound so crazy after all. Becoming a YouTuber isn't just a legitimate career path. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry where creators with a smartphone and decent Wi-Fi can potentially reach audiences larger than primetime TV shows. The appeal is obvious: creative control, flexible hours, no commute, and the distant but real possibility of making life-changing money doing something you actually enjoy. Here's the part most guides won't tell you. For every Mr. Beast, there are millions of channels that never break 1,000 subscribers. Building a YouTube career is more like becoming a professional athlete than finding a job. Possible, but with odds that should make you pause. Becoming a successful YouTuber will take your time, consistency, working smartly, and funds as well, but will also bring consistent flow of money and fame at the end. Being consistent, making lucrative smart videos can be tough and quite challenging, but track of becoming a better YouTuber. Okay, who is a YouTuber? A YouTuber is someone who earns money by creating and sharing videos on their own YouTube channel. This channel can be personal, such as Shane Dawson, one of the earliest YouTubers to gain fame, or built around a brand persona, like Mr. Beast, a hugely popular YouTuber with over 369 million subscribers, a successful chocolate bar brand, and a chain of burger restaurants. How much do you YouTubers make? The average YouTuber earns around $4,600 per month, but earnings vary widely based on niche, audience size, and monetization strategies. However, there is no fixed income rate for YouTubers. Earnings depend on factors like audience engagement, video views, subscriber count, and the monetization methods used, such as ad revenue, sponsorships, and memberships. YouTubers can earn money through various revenue streams. The most common include YouTube's Partner Program, which requires at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Affiliate marketing, brand sponsorships, and selling merchandise. Earnings breakdown by niche. Earnings on YouTube can vary significantly depending on your niche. Channels in finance and technology often earn higher CPMs compared to lifestyle or entertainment content. Here's a rough breakdown. Finance and tech, higher CPMs, often around $2 to $5 per 1,000 views. Entertainment and lifestyle, lower CPMs, typically 50 cents to $2 per 1,000 views. Information about monetization. Requirements. The YouTube Partner Program is the primary way for most YouTubers to monetize their content. To qualify, creators need to meet two key thresholds: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours within the past 12 months. Understanding these requirements is crucial for setting realistic goals. Additionally, the program now allows alternative paths to monetization, such as those based on shorts views, etc. How to become a YouTuber in 11 simple steps. Define your niche and target audience. Create a YouTube channel. Plan your content schedule. Invest in equipment and software. Create high-quality videos, SEO, and video description. Optimize video titles and thumbnails. Engage with your audience. Promote your YouTube videos. Monitor YouTube analytics, monetize, and grow your channel. Note: becoming a successful YouTuber takes dedication, creativity, and consistency. It's essential to find your niche, create high-quality content, engage with your audience, and optimize your channel for growth. Additionally, learning about video editing, SEO, and social media promotion can be beneficial. Thanks for watching, listening, and learning. Please make sure you subscribe to our incredible channel and turn on notification bell.